So Institutes Innovation Council. So it's a Ministry of Education's initiative. That's in 2018. Ministry of Education, Government of India has established an innovation cell with purpose of systematically fostering the culture of innovation in all higher education institutes across the country. So MIC, that is MOE Innovation Cell. Minister of Education was Ministry of Human Resource and Development at that time when they have started this initiative. Then under that MIC will focus on creating complete ecosystem which will foster culture of innovation across all educational institutes from idea generation to pre-incubation activities, then incubation and graduating from the incubation centers, successful startups. So MIC will also work on designing ranking system to identify institutions in the forefront of innovation. So Ministry of Education has established that innovation cell with the mandate to work closely with our higher education institutions to encourage the creative energy of our students population to work on new ideas, innovation, and to promote, to create the startups and entrepreneurial ventures. So under that MIC, with collaboration with AICTE, All India Council of Technical Education, they have established the IICs at higher education institutes across the India. So every institute that is accredited or supported by state government or central government have mandatorily established the IICs at their campus. So we have also established the same in long back 2018. So this is the third year of this IIC, and in last year we have got 2.5 rating out of 5 in these initiatives. So what is this IIC? So in 2018, MOE launched the Institutions Innovation Council program in collaboration with AICTE for higher educational institutions. Then primary role to engage large number of faculty, students and staff in various innovation and entrepreneurship related activities such as the ideation, then problem solving competitions, then proof of concept development, design thinking, IPR, project handling and management at pre-incubation and incubation stage, etc. So that the innovation and entrepreneurship ecosystem gets established and stabilized at higher educational institutes.